Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the BLORG. Okay, so a mad scientist, let's draw some weird hair, a mad scientist, and he's laughing. He's smiling. He created the BLORG. He's pointing towards the BLORG and saying he created it. Okay, he's been trying for years and finally has succeeded. A BLORG is basically a snowman, okay guys, and it reproduces every hour, once every hour, okay? This is how the reproduction works. So every hour it produces one more new BLORG. Let's just draw the face. I don't want to draw the whole BLORG. And then after that, after 2 hours, it produces two more BLORGs. And two more BLORGs, right? And then it immediately dies. Okay? So let's say that the professor or the scientist, the mad scientist, starts with one BLORG at noon. One at noon. Okay? How much does he have at 4:30? Obviously, they have 4.5 hours to reproduce. We're going to study it. Okay? Delete this. Delete that too. Let's write the question up higher. Let's just write 1 at noon. How much at 4:30? Okay, let's try making a graph, okay? We'll draw that ahead. Okay? So starts with one BLORG. That's 1 hour, right? 1 hour. After 2 hours, this BLORG reproduces. And that reproduces too. That's not a very good drawing, my apologies. Beforehand, let me make this bigger. That will have more space to expand into. There we go. Now let's go back to 100. That was a mistake. Okay. Now let's scroll down. We have lots of space to scroll down now. And then that's after 2 hours, right? And then after 3 hours, this guy is going to produce 2 more and then explode. Forgot to type that. He's already dead. And this guy's going to produce 2. That guy's going to produce 1. This guy's going to produce 1. And that guy's going to produce 1. So we're left with. Oh, and I forgot to clarify one thing about the question. How many alive boards? How much alive keyword boards does he have at 5:30? 4:30. I'm sorry. Okay. Then, so now let's graph this actually. At 0 hours, we're left with 1 board. So, yeah. Board time. 0 hours, we're left with 1. 1 hour left with 2. 2 hours, we're left with 1, 2, 3. Wait, are we left with 3 after 2 hours? Or no, sorry. Yes, that's correct. And then after 3 hours, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Wait, I'm sorry. This board, this one up here, was still alive at 2 hours, right? So this instead instead of 2. No, that's correct. This would be 4. And then after that, at 3 hours, right? How many BLORGs are there alive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 alive, right? Let's extend this a bit more. And then now it's going to get really chaotic and out of control. Okay, so this BLORG could reproduce twice, this BLORG reproduces twice, and this BLORG reproduces twice, and all these reproduce once. These 3 are dead, meaning that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 alive. Let me draw these real quick. It's going to have to be real small. Sorry, it's going to take a long time. I just want the full diagram done. Okay, there we go. We are finally done. Okay, so 4 hours are going to be 6 BLORGs. And you might notice a pattern. Their growth is exponential. That means 2 to the power of 0. Okay, let's not write it there. Let's kind of replace. Let's study their behavior, okay? So let's see if I can, I've never used feature. See if I can bring that down here. Yes, I can. So let's study it, okay? Okay. So they're multiplying by 2 every time, right? So at first is 2 to the power of 0, right? 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the power of 4. And then you can imagine that 5, okay, when they're after 5 hours, they're going to be 32 boards, okay? So this is basically called exponential growth, okay? Exponential growth. And this is what I wanted to talk to you about in this video. You can even have 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3, also be exponential. Basically, you have any number, and then you square it, and then you keep multiplying it by itself more and more times. That's called exponential growth. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you.